In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Bitwarden on your PC. This process is straightforward, and hopefully by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident managing your passwords securely using Bitwarden. Let's dive right in. To start off, open a web browser on your computer and navigate to the Bitwarden download page. You can do this by typing Bitwarden download into your search engine or by visiting directly at bitwarden.com/download. Once you're on the website, take a moment to look around. You'll notice Bitwarden offers applications for a wide array of platforms, but today we're focusing specifically on installing the desktop version for your PC. Scroll down the page until you reach the section titled Desktop. Here, you'll need to choose the appropriate application for your operating system. Bitwarden supports Windows, macOS, and Linux. So regardless of your system, there's an option for you. If you're on Windows, select it. I'm using Windows 11 for this demonstration, but rest assured it works on other Windows versions as well. After you've selected your operating system, click on the download button to proceed. Soon, the Bitwarden installer file will begin downloading to your computer. When the download is complete, it might land in your default download folder. For Windows users, the file will typically be named something like bitwardeninstaller.exe. If you're on macOS, you'll see a .dmg file. Linux users will want to refer to the specific package instructions tailored to their system. Now it's time to install the app. Double-click on the installer file you just downloaded. This will initiate the setup process. As with most software installations, you'll be prompted with on-screen instructions. Simply follow these prompts, clicking Next when needed, and accepting any terms and conditions presented. This process is generally quick and requires minimal input from you. Once installation is complete, you're ready to launch the Bitwarden application. Open the app on your desktop. If you already have a Bitwarden account, this is where you log in using your credentials. Enter your email address and master password and click the login button. For those new to Bitwarden, you'll want to select the option to create a new account. During this setup, you'll be guided to choose a master password. Be sure to pick one that is both strong and memorable, as it will be the key to all your saved passwords. And there you have it. With Bitwarden installed and set up on your PC, you're now equipped to manage your passwords securely and efficiently. Keeping your information safe is crucial, and Bitwarden makes it easier